Hello everyone. So welcome back to our next video series on German language beginners. So in this video series you will learn so many German verbs. So we will be discussing German verbs with verb conjugation, also with few examples, so that you will understand how to use these verbs and how to apply the verb conjugation and when to use everything you will get to know. So let's start. German verbs. Kommen. So our first verb is kommen. The meaning of common verb is I come or is coming. Once again, I come or is coming. Okay, so let's learn the verb conjugation. Ich komme. Ich komme, meaning I come. Du kommst. Du kommst, meaning you come or are coming. Next, sie, es kommt. Once again, sie, es kommt, meaning he, she, it comes. Again, he, she, it comes. Or is coming. He is coming, she is coming, it is coming, or this is coming. Okay. Next, we are common. We come. We are common. We come or are coming. We are coming. We come. Okay. Next. Ihr kommt. Ihr kommt, meaning you guys come or are coming. Once again, you guys come or are coming. Ihr means plural. You all, you guys. Okay. Next, sie kommen. Sie kommen means they come. It's also plural. It's plural. It's also plural. Sie kommen. This is for they. They come or are coming. Once again, they come or are coming. Now next, sie kommen. Sie kommen. Please wrote down this is the Z which is used in formal ways, formal form, formal situations, because S is capital. So when you will use S capital Z, Z common, it means you are giving someone respect and you are talking in a formal situation or in a formal way. Z common, you come, you are coming. You come, you are coming. This is formal. And if you want to say in informal way, which we have learned, two forms. Two form is for informal way. Now let's discuss the examples related to that. So first example, Beispiel, example. Ich komme gleich. Once again, ich komme gleich. I will be there right away. Okay, so please note down, ich is here Subjekt. Okay, Subjekt, and komme is verb. So we have conjugated common verb according to subject, and this rule will be going to apply in every sentence, because every time when you want to use verb, so you have to change it according to subject. Ich komme gleich, du kommst, kommt. So this verb will be always changed according to subject. Okay, I will be there right away. Ich komme gleich. Next, woher kommst du? Again, du is subject and this is verb. So have you noticed that verb conjugation is again has changed because of subject. So we have used here du subject. That's why woher kommst du. Okay, and this is also informal way. Please notice informal. Okay, because we have used du. So where are you from? This is English translation. Where are you from? So next. Oder sie kommt einmal die Woche. Noch einmal. Oder sie kommt einmal die Woche. English translation, he or she comes once a week. So please note that what we have done, is again subject, sie is subject. So we have changed the verb conjugation according to the subject. Kommt, sie kommt einmal die Woche. He or she comes once a week. We will discuss also the one more example, because z, s is same. The verb conjugation is same for all three. Es means it comes after. Es kommt danach. It comes after. Noch einmal, es kommt danach. So have you noticed? Sie es. Es kommt. Here also we have conjugate the verb according to the subject. Es kommt. Sie es kommt. Sie kommt. Es kommt. Sie kommt. Es kommt. Okay, let's learn the next. Wir kommen jetzt. Wir kommen jetzt. English translation, we are coming now. Okay, so here is again the subject and we have conjugated the verb according to the subject. Wir kommen jetzt. Okay, meaning we are coming now. Kommt ihr übermorgen? Noch einmal. Kommt ihr übermorgen? Noch einmal. Kommt ihr übermorgen? Again, ihr means I have already told you all or you guys. This is subject and we have conjugated the verb according to the subject. Ihr. Kommt ihr übermorgen. So this we always use for plural. Kommt ihr. Meaning, are you guys coming the day after tomorrow? Übermorgen means the day after tomorrow. Again, kommt ihr übermorgen? Meaning, are you guys coming the day after tomorrow? So next, Sie kommen aus allen Städten. Nochmals, Sie kommen aus allen Städten. Meaning, they come from all cities. So again, this is subject and as I have already mentioned, this is plural. Plural subject. The Z we have of three forms. One Z is for she and second Z is for plural, which is they. The meaning is they. Okay. They come from all cities. Sie kommen aus allen Städten. So next, kommen Sie im April? This is question, so please try out to speak this sentence in question expressions. Kommen Sie im April? Nochmals. Kommen Sie im April? Meaning, are you coming in April? Again, are you coming in April? So please note that once again we have conjugate our verb according to the subject. So this is the third Z, which is you. And this is for formal. As I have noticed, this is for formal. So this is third Z, which is you. And this always used in formal because as you can see, S is big. Because when we want to use the informal way, we always have to write down S is big. So anybody can understand that I am trying to ask this question in formal situations. Kommen Sie im April? Are you coming in April? Okay. So here we end our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and comment on my video, and if you have any queries, please write down in the comment. Also bis zum nächsten Mal.